Hi and welcome to Shadow Drones. As I told you in the last video, this update is focused on the server and how you can host it on your own computer. Now the server is integrated with the game client and all physics are simulated on the server. If you have ever hosted a Minecraft or internet server, you will find this method pretty similar as I wanted to keep things really simple for the user. Anyway, let's get started. To host a server on Windows, go to your game directory, right-click on the game executable, and create a shortcut. Right-click on the created shortcut and edit properties. In the target field, add the following arguments: -batch mode, -no graphics, plus server, and whatever the name of your server is. Once done, hit apply and OK. You can rename the server as you wish. To host the server on your computer, simply run the shortcut. A console will appear. The purpose of the console is to log basic information such as who connected or disconnected on your machine. As long as the console is running, the server is active and your machine is ready to accept TCP connections. If you want to play on your server, open the game client, hit play, and in the IP field type 127.0.0.1 and leave the port to 1397. Click connect. You can see on the console that you just connected to your server. You can enter basic commands in the console. To get a list of all the available commands, type help. To stop the server, type stop, then press enter. Notice that a folder has been created into your game directory. This folder contains basic settings for your server. If you want to edit your server name and other useful properties, open the JSON file. Here you can change the name of your server, the maximum player capacity, the match time in seconds, and so on. Edit the file at your convenience, save it, and if you want to apply changes, restart the server. But we are not done yet. In fact, the server is by default only accessible through the local area network, which means other players that don't share the same network as you won't be able to connect to your server. To open your server to all Shadow Drones players and therefore make it visible in the public server list, you need to port forward the port 1397 for both TCP and UDP connections. Since the method to open ports depends on your internet service provider, I redirect you to a tutorial that explains everything clearly. Once the ports are opened, you will notice that your server appears in the public server list, and players from all around the world will be able to join you. Finally, since most dedicated servers are running Linux, I also made a build for Linux. Anyway, that's it for today's video. As always, if you want to keep track on the development, subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to join the Discord server, and don't forget to add the game to your Steam wishlist to be notified once it will be available to play. Thanks for watching.